first thing you're going to do is make all of these circles kind of attached to each other, like so. And then from that, you're going to draw out a heart. I just eyeballed it, but you can use a stencil. And here's Gamasol, that is a natural mineral oil. Dip the stick in the Gamasol and rub the colored pencil marks to blend the colors. And it kind of fills in the white space if you want it filled in. You could go intermittently. I filled them all in because it has a nice effect all blended. So the Gamasol is like a mineral oil. It's not toxic in any way, and pretty inexpensive, so I'll link where you can get some down below. It just adds to your design, gives it a kind of a watercolor effect without the, water. It works best on Bristol paper, which is a little thicker than your typical paper, like printer paper. Bristol is a very fine, there's hardly any tooth to the Bristol paper. Bristol is good for mixed media. It's thick enough, it shouldn't show up on the back side. But I'm just going to cut out a heart, so this is going to be for a Valentine card, and I think this will look really nice once you see how it's cut out, which is next. To draw out the heart, I just did it freehand, like I said before, but you can use a stencil or something if you don't feel confident enough to make it symmetrical. And then you're going to cut it out. It's very therapeutic making the swirlies and watching it all come together. You have it cut out, you just find some pink cardstock, and there you have it. A beautiful Valentine card.